Ever felt like you're shouting into the void when you need help with your banking? Like your messages are disappearing into a black hole, and you're left wondering if anyone's even listening? I know I have. And that frustration, that feeling of being disconnected, is exactly what we're tackling today. Because let's face it, sometimes you just need to speak to a real human being. So, the question is, how do I actually speak to someone at Monzo? Monzo, with its bright coral branding and focus on digital banking, is known for its streamlined app and self-service options. And while those are fantastic for everyday tasks, they can sometimes fall short when you're facing a more complex issue. You might be dealing with a disputed transaction, a problem with your card, or maybe you just need some clarification on a specific policy. Whatever the reason, knowing how to get in touch with a real person at Monzo is crucial. Now, Monzo doesn't operate traditional phone lines in the way some older banks do. This is a deliberate choice, designed to keep their operational costs down and, in theory, allow them to offer better interest rates and features. They prioritize in-app communication, and that's where we'll focus most of our attention today. But don't worry, it's not as impersonal as it might sound. Think of it more like a direct messaging system, connecting you with a dedicated support team. The primary way to contact Monzo is through the in-app chat. It's designed to be quick and easy to use. First, open your Monzo app and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. From there, scroll down until you see the Help option. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the Help section. Here, you'll find a range of FAQs and articles that might answer your question. It's always a good idea to browse these first, as they often contain the information you need. But if you're still stuck, or your issue is more personal, you'll want to tap on the Contact Us button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will open up a chat window. Now, here's a crucial tip: be as clear and concise as possible in your initial message. Explain the problem you're facing, providing any relevant details like transaction dates, amounts, or error messages. The more information you give up front, the quicker the support team can assist you. Think of it like explaining your issue to a friend, but with a focus on the facts. Avoid vague phrases like "I have a problem" and instead be specific. For example, "I'm having trouble activating my new card" is much more helpful. Another important point: be patient. Monzo's support team handles a large volume of requests, so you might not get an immediate response. Don't panic if you don't hear back within a few minutes. It's usually best to leave your message and go about your day. You'll receive a notification when someone from the support team replies. And try not to send multiple messages about the same issue, as this can actually slow down the response time. It can push your initial message further down the queue. Now, what if your issue is urgent? Perhaps your card has been stolen, or you're experiencing unauthorized transactions. In these situations, Monzo does have a dedicated emergency contact method. Within the app's help section, you'll find a specific option for reporting emergencies. This will usually connect you with someone much faster than the standard chat. It's crucial to use this option only for genuine emergencies, as it's designed to prioritize the most critical situations. Abusing this system can prevent others from getting the urgent help they need. Beyond the in-app chat, Monzo also has a community forum. This is a great resource for finding answers to common questions and connecting with other Monzo users. You can search for specific topics, ask questions, and even share your own experiences. While the community forum isn't a direct line to Monzo support, it can often be a valuable source of information. You might find that someone else has already encountered the same issue you're facing and found a solution. Another avenue for getting help is through Monzo's social media channels, particularly Twitter. While they might not be able to resolve complex issues directly through social media, they often respond to general inquiries and can point you in the right direction. It's also a good way to stay updated on any service disruptions or announcements. Now, let's talk about some common scenarios and how to approach them. Let's say you've accidentally made a transfer to the wrong account. In this case, your first step should be to contact Monzo through the in-app chat as quickly as possible. Explain the situation clearly, providing the transaction details. While Monzo might not be able to reverse the transfer immediately, they can guide you through the process and potentially help you recover your funds. Or perhaps you're having trouble with your card. Maybe it's not working at ATMs, or you've lost it. Again, the in-app chat is your best bet. If you've lost your card, you can also freeze it directly within the app, preventing any unauthorized transactions. This is a crucial step to take as soon as you realize your card is missing. Finally, remember to always keep your Monzo app up to date. This ensures you have access to the latest features and bug fixes, which can sometimes resolve issues you might be experiencing. So, to recap, the primary way to contact Monzo is through the in-app chat. Be clear and concise in your messages, be patient, and use the emergency contact option only for genuine emergencies. Explore the community forum and social media for additional information. And remember, Monzo is constantly evolving, so their support methods might change over time. Always refer to the official Monzo app and website for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.